Jom Masak with us as we gotong royong for our breakfast meal.
Mak, today we are making
Bubur Lambuk. This recipe has been in our family for generations.
And just like you taught me, we must not be shy with spices. Right, Mak?
Okay, now we fry this until it's fragrant. Let the spices bloom for a few minutes before...
we add the lean beef. Lean like me, right, Ma?
Faster! Focus on the dish.
Then we add in the rice and the water, right?
To let it thicken, our family loves using reduced fat coconut milk. It's sedap and a healthier alternative.
Nice. Try this recipe with your family and start your day feeling nourished, okay?